Big story yesterday was the snow that was flying across the state line. Officially in Rockford, a trace of snow, but I saw several pictures, in fact, sent in from all of you at home that had probably a little bit more than a trace of snow for yesterday's date, October 19th. This will be what will officially go down. Not what record breaking, those records about 7/10 of an inch for yesterday's date. And it's hard to talk about snow and then talk about thunderstorms in the same breath, but that's exactly what we're going to be doing. In fact, Thursday afternoon, the potential for some thunderstorms does exist. And I want to show you the Storm Prediction Center outlook here for it. The marginal risk for any kind of severe weather out to the west, believe it or not, areas like Cedar Rapids, as well Waterloo picking up 2 to 4 inches of snow yesterday, could be under the gun as we get into Thursday for that severe thunderstorm chance. Now this morning, if you're stepping out the door, rain chances hold off, I think, until later this afternoon into this evening. Right now, temperatures are at least below freezing in Freeport, sitting at 29. Be careful on the roads. There could be a few wet spots, or slick spots, I should say, especially in those areas where temperatures have fallen below freezing. Otherwise, the rest of us are sitting at or above freezing. 33 Rockford as well in Dixon, 34 degrees currently in Rochelle with those mostly cloudy skies. Satellite radar looking quiet. We've got the clouds, that's for sure, and we'll keep those clouds around. Notice to the north and west, though, snow flying from South Dakota, North Dakota into Minnesota as well, northwestern portions of Iowa. This is actually going to continue moving off towards the north and east, so this is not going to be a factor. At least the snowy side of this storm is not going to be a factor for our weather, but we do have to watch out for the chance for some showers, especially as we get into the late afternoon, early evening. Might see a few pockets of drizzle from time to time this morning. That's really going to be about the only kind of game in town. The organized stuff comes in later this evening. We're talking 5, 6, 7 o'clock, lasting until the first half really of the overnight hours before gradually tapering off as we get beyond midnight. Into your Wednesday, we'll start dry. Rain chances again return for the late afternoon, really the late evening, I should say. We're talking 9, 10, 11 o'clock, and this is with a warm front. That warm front lifts to the north and could bring with it the chance for a few rumbles of thunder late Wednesday into Thursday. Notice the kind of pockets of yellows, oranges, and reds here. Could be, again, some heavier thunderstorms falling as we go into your early Thursday morning before we gradually dry out for Thursday afternoon ahead of a cold front, and that cold front means business. So for today, 52, cloudy and a little bit warmer with those isolated shower chances late. Really, I think mainly after sunset, scattered showers will be the rule of thumb. Drying out after midnight, lows in the low 40s. Tomorrow, upper 50s, mostly cloudy. Rain and even a few rumbles of thunder possible, especially late. That's the name of the game, really, not just today, but also tomorrow. Late rain chances as we get into your Thursday. Notice those temperatures into the middle 70s, cooling off though behind that cold front into the upper 50s for Friday. Upper 40s for the weekend, into the low 50s even. Let's take a look at that most accurate 10-day forecast. See if the cooler weather sticks around, and it does look like it will, with the unsettled pattern that we're in with near daily rain chances sticking around.